In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an arc in AutoCAD using the center, start, and angle method. This is a really simple and accurate way to draw an arc when you already know the center point and the starting direction. And it's a great skill to have whether you're just getting started with AutoCAD or you want a faster workflow for everyday drafting. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. You can start with a new file or open an existing project depending on what you're designing. Once your drawing is ready, we'll use the arc command to create the shape. Now go to the command line and type arc, then press enter. This activates the arc tool and gives you several different ways to draw an arc. Since we want to make the arc using the center point, the start point, and the angle, we'll choose the center option from the command line. Click center when it appears, or type the letter C if that is the shortcut shown on your version of AutoCAD. After that, AutoCAD will ask you to specify the center point. Click the exact point in your drawing where you want the center of the arc to be. This point is very important because it controls the overall placement and shape of the arc. Make sure you click carefully so your geometry stays accurate. Next, AutoCAD will prompt you to specify the start point. Click the point where you want the arc to begin. This determines the first edge of the arc and sets the direction it will follow. Once you select the start point, the arc is ready for the final step. Now choose angle from the command line options. This tells AutoCAD that you want to define the arc by angle instead of another method like chord length or endpoint. Type the angle value you want and press enter. AutoCAD will immediately create the arc based on the center point, start point, and the angle you entered. And that's it. You've now created an arc in AutoCAD using the center, start, and angle method. This is a clean and efficient way to draw arcs when you need control over both position and size. It's especially useful in technical drawings, mechanical parts, layouts, and any design where precision matters. If you want to practice, try repeating the process a few times with different angle values so you can see how the arc changes. The more you use this tool, the faster and more confident you'll become in AutoCAD. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.